Yes, Asam Fast Week number 8. Yes, yes, yes. Are you ready, Cheryl?
Yes, ready.
Paduol kamay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, you are ready. You're born ready, right? Sige, so naman pick your number, please. And she picked number 13. Okay, your question is, how do you personally define success as a woman or as a mother? Again, how do you personally define success as a woman or as a mother?
Isip ko sa kailangan sa akong mga anak. Ako, proud nga usa ka entrepreneur. O daghan kong mga nabuhat. O proud kay ko tungod kay daghan kong mga negosyo. O nakatabang ko sa mga daghang tao. So kana dako kay impact sa kuha, guys. Thank you.
Very well said, of course. She is an entrepreneur. Thank you so much, Cheryl. And now let's move on.